As our family grew, so did the piles of laundry. With small kids, it became increasingly hard to keep up with a growing list of responsibilities, activities, and the laundry that accompanied them. Hi, I'm Matt Krebs, founder of Fresh Clothes Mobile Laundry. And as my wife and co-founder Tamara said in our original marketing video,
are you like me? Do you have endless loads of laundry piled on the floor?
There are so many families just like ours that can benefit from a service like Fresh Clothes Mobile Laundry. Our goal from the beginning has been to create a laundry brand that can serve families across the nation through locally owned, franchise businesses run by energetic entrepreneurs like you. Since launching in 2020, Fresh Clothes has experienced explosive growth. We're not just changing the laundry game, we're building a thriving brand and business model with a loyal customer base. In fact, 100% of customers responding to a recent survey said they were thrilled with our service and would recommend us. Once we started advertising, it became clear that the potential list of customers was far broader than we could have imagined. We've found success not just with families, but also commercial operations, from massage therapists to hotels to hospitals to military bases. Imagine being part of this success story and becoming a fresh start. Owning a Fresh Clothes franchise allows you to be your own boss while tapping into a quickly evolving but well-established laundry industry. The demand for convenient laundry services is skyrocketing, with a growth rate of over 30% per year. At Fresh Clothes, we're guided by our core values, the 5 C's: clean, consistent, convenient, customer-centric, and constructive. These are the pillars of our success and will be yours too. We know starting a business can be daunting for even energetic and knowledgeable people like you. That's why we offer comprehensive support, from in-depth training to ongoing operational guidance. We're dedicated to your success and want to share our Boise hospitality with you. Ready to simplify your life and build a profitable business? We invite you to learn more about the Fresh Clothes Mobile Laundry franchise opportunity. Visit our website at www.freshclothesfranchising.com to schedule a conversation. Don't miss this chance to join the Fresh Clothes Mobile Laundry family.